Hey YouTube, here with what's hopefully going to be an epic pack opening on Arena. Been super excited for War of the Spark to come out, and as you can tell, I pre-ordered the pack of 50, so really good value, and hopefully things can go fairly well for opening packs on Arena, and hopefully they will transfer over into some pre-releases this weekend, and cross my fingers into the case that I open for every set. If not, hopefully we can try to trade some, and in real life maybe come up with some pretty cool decks, hoping that I can be able to use this to brew a little bit with, to see what might be able to play in the upcoming standard. So I guess first we'll get right to this and see. Everybody should know, if they're playing Arena, what we're getting. We getting a Liliana the Dreadhorde General, which I think is a pretty sweet card. Probably not playing more than like 2 or 3, so but pretty cool. And then we'll get her as the online foil version, I guess, and card back. So get right into it, and hopefully we get some pretty good packs here. So try and talk a little bit if we open something cool and what I think might actually fit into the deck. Narcissus Reversal is okay. Not super excited about it, but it could have some value. Nothing here super good. I do like Angrath's Rampage. Just the fact that the 2-minute Edict for either the creature or the Planeswalker is pretty good. Dreadhorde Invasion. Not horrible. Would really like to see some Simic cards, everybody probably knows. Go with my Ooze. Silent Submersible. What? Spark Harvest. Really like that card. Karn's Bastion. I think this will fit into, probably just as a one-of, into Ooze. The Ascendancy style list, so I think that's where that deck is probably going to head. Ooh, not bad. Always nice to have Mythic Wildcards. We can make whatever we don't open here. This would be pretty good. So, ooh, Ilhard Razebore. I really like this card. The fact that you can bounce something and noticing that it has so much text that it's actually outside the text box on here. Ashiok. I think we might use this in Mill. Bioessence Hydra. There we go. This card's going to be ridiculous, I believe, in Ooze. Definitely want to open for that. I guess we just make them if we don't have anything there. Invade the City. Might fit into a Grixis list. A rare wild card. Pollenbright Druid. I like that card. Not sure if it'll make a cut. Kasmina. I want to brew a little bit with this. We're trying to come up with something there. Solar Blaze. Huatli. It's funny because always looking for Planeswalkers that fit. Obviously they've been mythic lately, so having the uncommons is kind of something new. Not sure if we can do anything with that. Planewide Celebration. I don't think we'll play that. I might play that in the big mana deck. Maybe we'll bring someone with the Vitu-Ghazi card. Domri. Okay, well, we might be playing something that's big with this Vitugazi be a 10-9. It's pretty good. Dovin's Veto. I really wanted that. And a Time Wipe. I think these two cards together, we're probably going to be bringing something with those in Standard. Trying to see if we can make something work. Evolution Sage. I like that. I think that's going to go as a 1 or 2 of into Ooze. Another Solar Blaze. I mean, 50 packs. It's quite a few here, so it's a couple of Kiora. That's pretty good. So we're with a couple boxes here. Finale of Eternity. I think might be able to play that in something like Chromatic Black. Get big, get fast. Dump the spells you don't need, bring them back. Really like Wall of Runes. Feathered. Maybe working something with Boros here, so. God Pharaoh's Statue. Kaya's Ghost Form. I like the Ghost Form. I think with the Elder Spell. Pretty good. Widespread Brutality. Not sure if this actually is going to work as well as I've heard people talk about it this week. Karn. Alright. Like Karn. If it's a good sideboard option. I don't know. I mean, you could play it. I just don't know if it's gonna find find a place in Standard. The Elder Spell. Alright, perfect. I think this staple in black probably a sideboard option, but definitely is like a 3 or 4 of. Okay, Neoform. Neoform's pretty good. Soul Diviner. I'm like more excited about the uncommons, I think, than the a lot of the rares in this set. Uncommons are pretty good. Narset. Another Domri. Looking for some mythics here. Another Finale. This time is the red one, though. Really like a Bolus. And a couple Bolus's Citadels. Okay, rare wild card. I think Citadel's pretty good. I think people are going to have to watch out for that. Another Mobilized District. Citadel fits into any black deck that has a little bit of life gain, so. Alright, so Leona Dreadhorde General. We got 2. Price of Betrayal's pretty good. Blast Zone. I like Blast Zone. Unfortunately, not really liking it on Arena. I don't think it'll be as good as it will in other formats. Casualties of War. I like this card. The fact that you get to pick whatever you need. It does cost 6, so there are some problems there, but Mowu. Command the Dreadhorde. Huh. I've seen all the cards, still don't know without playing with them though really how they're gonna work. So another Spark Harvest here. Wanderer. Another Karn's Bastion. I mean, some of this stuff I really don't need multiples of, but Vraska. Oath of Kaya. Really excited for this card. If anybody watched the deck tech I did last week, playing Esper, and this card I think is just going to be insane in Esper control. Another Dovin's Veto. And another Casualty of War. I like Pledge of Unity. I got another Karn. We'll have to go back through and see if there's enough artifacts to actually do something with Karn. Ooh, another Mythic Wildcard. go. Another mobilized district. Kind of whiffing out on the first half here. First 2/3, whatever it be here. Neoforn. Another Domri. There's a lot of cards in this set. So, looking for Rolex too. Solar Blaze. I think his packs are telling me that you need to build a Boros deck, apparently. There we go, Dovin. I like Dovin. That's our third card. Another Dovin. Command the Dread Horde. Gideon's Sacrifice. It's I think it could be a good card in a mono white deck. Gideon's Triumph obviously is really good. Okay, Nissa Who Shakes the World. This is going to get played as a 1-of for myself. Guaranteed. Storm the Citadel. I like the first half, not big on the second half. Tomic, I guess. Davriel. Another Blast Zone. Well, lands are the staples, so not too many staples I don't think here, but if they ever do Eternal formats, we'll be okay. It's under Dovin's veto. Fibblethip. Interesting. Not sure how I feel. I say I probably will never play this, but I don't know. Somebody got me thinking about it the other day. Living Twister. I wonder if we can make that work. Play it in a Gruul deck. Something that just finds a bunch of lands, puts them into your hand. Or Widespread Brutality. Alright, last 3 packs. Need something good here. Samet. Another Carnage Bastion. Again, uncommons I think are pretty good in this set. A lot of them I think are better than some of the rares. Mobilized District. Alright, last pack. Gotta hope for something really good here. I didn't realize how that actually Time Scorn's not bad. Ral. Oh, whenever you cast copy an instant yeah, I mean it's not horrible. You could probably play it as a 1-of in any blue-red deck. So there it is. Hopefully everything we open today we can do something with. So it's not just sitting in the pool, but hey, that's probably what I'll get outside of the free packs here. So I guess stay tuned and hopefully we can come up with something that's pretty cool.